So I want to share a little bit about share settings with Google Sites, just to see what could be going wrong with how it's being shared. So here's my Google site, and I could tell I'm in edit mode because I still have the publish button here. I could preview it here and by clicking the eyeball. And when you do this, it looks like this is the site, but down here in the bottom right, it shows this is my reminder that I'm in preview mode. So if I were to share this link right here, this would end up, now I'm going to show you how I always test this. I go over to the little dots on the side of my Chrome browser here, and I go to new incognito window. So nothing is logged in here. This would be like if a parent were looking at it. I'm going to paste that website in and look what happens. Because of my share settings, it says I need to sign in with the Google account. And I don't want people to have to do that. So I'm going to get out of preview mode because I don't, I'm not quite sure at what point you got to the sharing. One thing I do know is I had just put this in. And so I had just edited this and done something new on my site. I have to remember to click publish every time. That's really important that I be sure to add publish to the site. And once you do that, then all of my things that I've added or edited will then show up. The last thing I want to do is do my share settings by clicking that little plus with the person. And right now I have the draft view and the published view. And I'm only interested in making sure the published view is okay. So I want to click change. And here, mine was automatically default set to specific people can view when published. I want it anyone can find and view the published version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save. It will pop me into this setting here. And I can, again, change it if I like, if that's not exactly how I want it to be. And once I click done, then I'm all set. Now, if I go to the shared settings. Let's see, did it have my link? I did not have my link there. Now I'm going to go to copy publish site link. So I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to do the incognito again. Click on new incognito window to see. So if a parent were looking at my site, this is what it would look like. And it just opens up. There should be no restrictions on this site.